Hi everyone. Today we're going to make this. First, make a new composition by clicking on its icon. Set the comp size to 359 by 325. And press OK. Now press on the Shape tool. Click on Fill. And change it to None. Click on the thing beside Stroke and press OK. Change the stroke number to 20 pixel. You can change it by holding its icon and hovering over other ones. Double-click on it. Change to the Ellipse tool and double-click. For the last shape, change to the Star tool and double-click again. To turn the star into a triangle, open Polystar Path. And change the points to 3. Open Ellipse Path. Unlock it and change the size to 300. And then lock it again. Open Rectangle Path. Unlock it and change the size to 300. Align the layers. If your After Effects doesn't look like mine, go to Window, Workspace, and change it to Effects. Make sure Align is on the Window tab. As I said, align all the layers. Now we need to make all the layers a bit smaller. Open Transform. Change the scale to 22.5%. Make sure all shape stroke is on 20px. Open Transform. Change the scale to 22.5%. Open Transform. Change the scale to 23.18%. Change the composition size by pressing Ctrl-K. Set the width to 250 and the height to 142 and press OK. OK, now try to position the shapes. You can use Align tab to set it. Or you can click on the layer and hold down Shift and press on the left or right arrow on your keyboard. Change the color accordingly. Color code I'm using is in the description. Right-click on the Project tab and press New Composition, 1920 by 1080. Name it Render. Drag the other comp to Render. To multiply it, go to Effects and Preset. Search for RepeTile. Double-click. Change all of the expanse to 10K. To make it look better, let's rotate it a little bit. Open Transform and change rotation to 26. OK, last part, search for Deep Glow in Effects and Presets. Double-click. I should mention that Deep Glow is a third-party plugin available in escripts.com. To make it move, click on the position stopwatch icon to make a keyframe. Go to the 17th second. And change the position to the right corner of the screen. You can zoom back using your mouse scroll. To make the movement a bit smoother, Right-click on the keyframe and ease them. Press Ctrl S on the keyboard. Save the project. Open Media Encoder. Close the project and then After Effects. Drag the project file to Media Encoder. Double-click on the main composition. Put the format to H.264 and preset to match the source. Click on the green triangle. And that's it. If you have any suggestions for the future tutorials, please comment it down below. Project file is available for download, link is in the description. Good luck.